Class, our today's new topic is area of a triangle. So class, we are discussing first how to calculate the area of a right angle triangle. But for that you have to understand what is right angle. Right angle means class, when you have a triangle and one of the angle is 90 degree, then we can say that is right angle triangle. But how we calculate the area of this right angle triangle? For that you have to understand this first. So class, what is this? This is a rectangle whose length is L and breadth is B. Suppose the length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. And if I want to find the right angle triangle, for that if I make this point A and C, then you can see it divide this rectangle in two equal parts. This is ADC, or we can say triangle ADC. You can see class, this is a triangle and this is also a triangle ABC. So if I am talking about ADC, then you can see this is 90 degree angle. So this is a right angle triangle. So before I will explain you the right angle triangle, first I just want to ask you, what is the area of rectangle? This is rectangle ABCD. So what is the area of rectangle ABCD? You all know the area is L into B. Area of rectangle is L into B. The meaning is 10 centimeter into 5 centimeter. The meaning is 50 centimeter square. Remember this class. And now if this is a half and half portion, so definitely the area of this triangle is 25 centimeter square. But how we calculate that? For that you have to understand, this is L 10 centimeter, so this is also 10 centimeter. This is B 5 centimeter, so this is also 5 centimeter. So this is a half of rectangle ABCD. So area of triangle ADC is actually the half of area of rectangle ABCD. So the meaning is area of rectangle divided by 2. The meaning is 50 divided by 2, which is equal to 25 centimeter square. So this is how you solve your area of right angle triangle. So class, now next topic is area of a acute or obtuse angle. For that class you have a formula 1 by 2 into base into height, and you have to understand what is base and what is height. सपोज क्लास ये आपके पास एक ट्राइंगल है, सो इसकी 3 वर्टेक्स हैं. सपोज द वर्टेक्स आर ए बी एंड सी. सो क्लास, दिस साइड इज नोन एज बेस. सपोज इसकी लेंथ 5 सेंटीमीटर है, सो ये 5 सेंटीमीटर इसका बेस माना जाएगा. सो आपका अगर मैं बोलूँ एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी सी, तो आप 1 by 2 इंटू बेस, बेस मीन्स ये पूरी लेंथ 5 सेंटीमीटर इंटू हाइट. सो व्हाट इज हाइट क्लास? बेस से ये जो आपका टॉप का वर्टेक्स है, इसको मैच करने वाली जो लाइन होगी क्लास, ये आपकी हाइट होती है. सपोज ये 3 सेंटीमीटर है, सो ये पॉइंट डी हो गया. सो ए डी, ए एंड डी पॉइंट, इसको आप अगर मेज़र करें, सो जो आपकी ये मेज़रमेंट आएगी वो आपकी हाइट होगी. सो सपोज दिस इज़ 3 सेंटीमीटर. सो आपका एरिया हो गया 1 by 2 इंटू 5 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 3 सेंटीमीटर. दैट मीन्स 15 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर अपॉन 2, दैट इज इक्वल टू 7.5 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. Okay class, now this is exercise 10.3. They give you, look at the figure given below. The diagonal will divide these squares. Class, what is the meaning of diagonal? Diagonal means class the line which divide these shapes into two equal parts like this. So these lines are known as diagonal. So this line BD, this line HF is known as diagonal. So the diagonal of this shape is NL. The diagonal of this shape is SQ. And now they ask you figure A, what is the length? 4 centimeter. What is breadth? 4 centimeter. Area is equal to L into B. 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter, 16 centimeter square. So now class, how to find the area of triangle? So area of triangle means half of that area of rectangle or square. So this is your square. So half of the area of this square is the area of triangle. Any triangle, maybe A, B, D, or maybe B, C, D. So maybe you want to calculate this triangle, or maybe you want to calculate this triangle. The area is same because this is the half of this whole. So half of this means half of this area. So the meaning is half of 16 means class 8 centimeter square, which is coming by 1 by 2, 16 centimeter square. 2 8 is 16. So 8 centimeter square is the area of triangle ABD or BCD. In second shape, 6 and 3. 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter. By multiplying we will get 6 into 3, 18 centimeter square, and the area of any triangle, because class this is a right angle triangle, right angle triangle, right angle triangle, right angle triangle. So you all know how to calculate right angle triangle. That is the half of this whole area. So the half of this is 18 and the half of this 18 is 9 centimeter square. For third one, 3 and 4. So 4 is the length, 3 is breadth, 12 centimeter is the area of KLMN, and if you want to calculate the area of this L, M and N, that is the half of this. The meaning is 6 centimeter square. For fourth one, you can solve this. Now in this question class, find the area of triangle. So class, acute angle, acute angle, acute angle. So this is base 4 centimeter, this is height 3 centimeter. So how we calculate this? If the base is 4 centimeter, height is 3 centimeter, you can see base is 4 centimeter, height is 3 centimeter. So formula is 1 by 2 base into height. 1 by 2, what is your base? 4 into height 3 centimeter. So 1 by 2 into 4 into 3, 12 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. That is equal to 12 upon 2 centimeter square. The answer is 6 centimeter square. Now class, in question number B, height is 3.5, base is 6 centimeter. So height is 3.5, base 6, 1 by 2 base into height, 1 by 2, what is base? 6, what is height? 3.5, 1 by 2, 6 into 3.5, the meaning is 21 centimeter square. So half of 21 centimeter square is 10.5 centimeter square. So question number C is, this is height, this is base, so what is the area? Class, here you are confused a little bit that why your base is this, not this. For that, it's very important to understand, if they give you the height this, so class, I told you earlier, your height always belongs to the highest vertex which match into base. So जो आपका हाईएस्ट वर्टेक्स होता है, जो भी वर्टेक्स होता है वो बेस लाइन को मैच करता है, वही आपकी हाइट होती है. तो आपकी हाइट हमेशा बेस लाइन से मेज़र की जाती है. सो अगर आपकी हाइट उसने ये दी हुई है तो ये आपका हाईएस्ट वर्टेक्स हो गया, और ये जिस लाइन को मैच करेगा वही आपका बेस होगा. सो क्लास, दिस इज़ नॉट योर बेस. आपका वर्टेक्स जिस लाइन को टच करेगा, आपकी जो हाइट वाली लाइन है वो जिस लाइन को टच करेगी वही आपकी बेस लाइन होगी. सो दिस इज वाई दिस इज बेस. सो क्लास, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, ये आपकी अगर हाइट है तो हाइट हमेशा बेस लाइन को टच करती है, तो बेस लाइन से आपकी हाइट मानी जाती है. तो अगर ये आपकी हाइट है तो ये आपकी बेस लाइन है. सो 1 by 2 बेस 6, हाइट 2.2 सेंटीमीटर. सो 1 by 2 इंटू 13.2 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, इसका हाफ करेंगे आप तो आएगा 6.6 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. एंड डू दीज क्वेश्चंस बाय योर ओन.